Today I'm gonna make scrambled eggs in a cast iron flat top skillet. A little olive oil on there, let it warm up a little bit. It's got medium heat. See how it goes. Just pour the eggs in. I'm gonna use a metal spatula and stir them up. So far I've just been folding the outside towards the center. It's working. A little bit. Almost done. Looks pretty good. There you have it. Scrambled eggs in a cast iron skillet. Just add a little salt and pepper when you're done. You can add butter if you felt like it. It's pretty simple. Like that. Don't need like high walls or anything. Just a short little flat skillet. Thanks for watching. Come back and watch my other videos if you like. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Easy cleanup. Quick little wipe with a brush, air dry it, and re-oil. Just hit it with a paper towel, some more oil sprayed on it, olive oil sprayed on it. And good to go till next time.